Hey guys, it's Kelly. Hey, I broke down and got a couple kits. I'm kind of excited to share this with you, and I've been playing with them a little bit. But I bought the September Sizzix kit and then the September Simon Says kit for card making. These are, and I've always been kind of against the kit idea, just because I thought, oh, I don't have that, I don't need that, I won't use that, and these I just thought had such great value for the price. So I thought I'd share it with you. This one I've played with already. I've kind of really played with this one because I've had it for a little bit longer. So I'll show that here in a second. But the Simon Says stamps box that comes, I'm so hooked now on kits. I can't help it. Now I want to like join the club and like get kits every month. So, and I'm not a designer or anything for either one of these companies. I'm just a crafter in my room, and I just wanted to share with you guys what this kit had, because I just thought it was great value for what you get in it. So, and I've already opened it, but what I think packaging is a big deal. So the entire kit came in this super cute bag that had like a little sticker on it. I don't know. That's a little touch that I think is fantastic. It was so nicely packed in the box. And that speaks volumes to me personally. It's a personal preference. But they've got their little sticker in here. It's such a great value for this box, in my opinion. In my opinion, I really think that it is. I think I paid $36 for this and then some shipping. So it was probably around $40. But again, I think the value is here, and I'll get a lot of use out of it. So what I got in here was, oh my gosh, there's such cute things. So a couple envelopes here, which is really, really cute because I'm going to be making cards. I really like this really cute size right here. So what is it? I don't even know what it is. It's 3 3¾ by like 5¼ That is just a cute size. I really like that. So I got a couple envelopes. That's a standard envelope right there. A couple envelopes, and then some really pretty iridescent sequins. I am more of the style of kind of grunge and inking things up, and but I do have my moments of rainbow and iridescent, and this is something that I do not have in my stash. These little beautiful sequins. So, and there's a lot of them in there, so I really love that. And then these are some cute little envelopes from Vicky Boutin. They're mini cards and envelopes. They are super cute. I was on YouTube and I saw a couple of the designers, Vicky Pepinoy, I can never say her name, but oh god, I get so much inspiration from her. But she's a designer and she made the cutest card. But I wanted to show you these cute little envelopes. They are so adorable. I can't even stand it. This one right here is kind of more my style. This one right here. So I'll try to bring it in a little bit more. Look how cute these are. They're already coordinating with the papers. And oh my god, they're just so cute. And if you open it, you've got like a little index card, little note thing. You can either handwrite a note if you'd like, or you can just stamp something in there. I will probably stamp it because I don't like my own writing. And you can actually cut this in half and get 2 notes for it if you wanted. But that is so cute. And look at the envelope. I love it. I absolutely love these little envelopes. These are so cute. And they're going to be such a cute addition and embellishment to cards or whatever you decide to make with a kit. I will be using this for art journaling as well. I'll bring you back out. But those are super cute little envelopes. And then I got a die cut here. It's Sending Smiles. So you can do the shadow and you can cut out the words. I really love this. I think that is a great value in itself for the for the cost. And then this is the paper that comes with it. And this paper, it's not like real bright. It's kind of more my style where it's a little muted, but it's really, really pretty. It's got some really vibrant colors. And this would go really well with the Distress Oxide inks that I plan to use as well. But there's just some really cute papers. I'm probably going to use a hole punch and punch some of those out and ink them, but really, really cute, usable paper. Again, I mean, I can make cards out of these. I can use this for art journaling. I can use it for whatever. And little cuts, things that you can fussy cut out too. Each paper is double-sided. There's a botanical one. Look at this one. It has paper airplanes. Hours of entertainment for me as a child with paper airplanes. Don't laugh at me. I know you did it too. And then this one, just little envelopes. Again, you can cut that out and kind of make a really similar collage or whatever you want to do. I like the stars as well. So super cute paper. I didn't show all of it. Super cute paper in there. Again, another part of the value for the kit. But this right here, this stamp set is the coolest thing. This is the Sending Smile or Just Miss You stamp set. And this, I think this is the first time that I've ever ordered anything from Simon Says Stamps, and I'm loving it. I'm really impressed with them. But there's, look at all the stamps in here. There's so many, so many. So there's that Sending Smiles stamp. I really like that font. I love how it's all connected. So I don't need to piece it together. I really like that. And the die is also all connected. So that is going to be awesome. So I can't wait to play with that. And I'll of course, I'll share whatever I decide to make with this. But I've decided this one right here is my favorite because I tell this to my team all the time. I'm a manager and I got just amazing people that I get to work with. And I tell them, because we're all working remotely, I miss your face. Like, I miss their faces so much. And I want to send them something. So, and these little dudes hanging onto a rope, hanging from a heart or a cloud or whatever whatever I decide, that is so cute. Just really, really cute stamp set. And so many cool sentiments that you can use over and over and over again. So again, great, great value in a kit to have a stamp that has a stamp set that is so, I don't know, versatile. I love it because I can use these clouds, I can use the hearts, I can use these little dudes, I can use this all the time. There's so much use that you can get out of this. So again, the value is definitely there. And look how cute, they sent me a little mini charm pop. I'm sorry. Those little things, Simon Says you got me hooked. I'm sorry, you do. You got me hooked now. And here's some of the cool paper that they sent. It's really nice cardstock. I love the color combinations. They're going to go really nice with all the papers that you got. We've got some white cardstock. We've got some, look at that color. Oh, it's so pretty. So, so pretty. So there's 5, I think. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get the plain cardstock and then you get the designer paper. I love, love, love it. And then this is so cool too. So this kit comes with a tool. So it's a Marvy jewel picker. I do not have this. I do not have one of these. And I'm so excited that that was one of the selling points for me too, because I was just looking at buying one of these and I wanted to get one that didn't stick. This one will stick, but that's okay. I'll still get my use out of it, but you just grab your little pieces. And it's so, what a good, useful tool. Again, value. Value for a kit that you can get, you can use on and on and on and on and on. And then the other thing that I thought was super cool is all the inspiration here. So there's a card here, and it says the designers on here too, which is really cool because, you know, you get this new stamp, you're like, oh God, I want this stamp. It's so cool. Now I have it. What do I do with it? And then you kind of get stuck for inspiration. So these little added tidbits here that they add really helps to inspire you to use what you get in your kit. I really love this one by Sherry Carroll. That one is so cute. And she used that paper where it's like bursting out. And then she cut that and you can see the die in action right there. That is so cute. This nice clean design too by Cindy Norberg. That is that little dude just hanging on to that is so cute to me. I adore all of them. They're all super cute. I love all the flowers that they made here too. Looks like they fussy cut some of these flowers out of the paper. Look at that. Just a lot of inspiration is included with the kit, and that's important, I think. And again, my opinion, take it for what you want. Since I'm not a normal or a usual kit buyer, you know, maybe take it for face value. But I'm super excited about this. It's my first experience with Simon Says Stamps. I'm going to keep going back for more because of this kit. I want more kits because the value is there. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I'm so excited to have some time to play with this. And as soon as I do, as soon as I make something, I'll make sure and upload a video. I need to get some time. I'm hoping for this weekend. But I wanted to share that box with you guys. Okay, so that is the Simon Says Stamp one. And then, put my bag over here. And then this one is going to be a little bit different. So the Sizzix, love them too. Absolutely love them. For one, my favorite designer, Tim Holtz, works with them. And there's nothing he can do that I don't absolutely adore. But I've already been playing with this one. So bits and pieces of it are already out. So I've got a video I'm going to upload here soon too. This kit was $29.99 if I remember correctly. And the value in here, again, value. It's about what will I really get use out of this over time. And this is absolutely, I will absolutely get use out of this. So this is everything that was in here. I want to make sure I add it all. Just show you. I was too excited. So I've had this one for longer, so I've had more time to play with this one, but I can't wait to play with my Simon Says Stamps kit as well. So this one is a little gift box. So what you get in here, and I'm sorry that it's kind of jumbled, but it's because I've been playing. This super cool die kit makes these cute little boxes. It is so adorable. I absolutely love them. And they have such cool little intricate details on them too. So it's super, super cute. There's 8 dies in all in this one die set. You've got the die that you can use. You cut 4 of them and you make the box. And then you've got these little inlets here to where you can actually use these little ones. You can use these ones, this one right here, for card corners and things like that. Then you've got some foliage pieces and then a little rose over there. So you can do the outline of the rose and then you've got the interior of the rose. So such good value. And just this one thing would be, you know, costly in itself. But that is the coolest part of this. And I'll show you really quick here in a bit, a couple of things I made. And then you get some Sizzix quick drying glue. This is super cool glue. The viscosity is a little bit different. So I'm used to it being a little bit thicker. This one is a little thinner. So you've got to be aware of that before you use it, because I'm used to kind of squeezing a little bit harder on my glue because it's usually a little bit thicker. But this one, it works very well. It's just not as thick. So be prepared for that because I spewed it all over the place. But really cool glue. So again, great value with this because I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. To get an adhesive in there, I love it. And then I got some sequins. So this one is the ballet slipper sequins, and it's some really big stars and some teeny, 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 tiny stars in there. But they're iridescent. They're so, so pretty. So, so pretty. And then these are the silver little sequins. There's some really big ones in there and then some really small ones. And again, value. I'll get a lot of use out of that for sure. And then the paper, oh my God. So I did not have any glitter paper at all that didn't have the kind of glitter that would fall off on your hands because I'm cheap. This is so good. I love this paper. Ugh, so gushy. So all kinds of really cool colors. Again, I'm sorry I've been playing with my kit because I can't stand it. It was just too much fun. But you get all kinds of really cool papers in this kit. I think the kit's sold out. I think it's sold out. But you can still get the bits and pieces from it, from Sizzix as well. So not only do you get this die right here with 8 dies in it that you can use, it's so versatile. You also get the little thinlit rose die. It's so cute. I made one of those. Oh, I gotta find it. I'll show it to you in a second. And then this one. This is just a little flower die. It's called Pretty Flower. And this one is called Flower Scallop. So, and that's the one that you kind of roll. It's like you kind of bend your paper and then you kind of roll it. But these cute little dies, again, add even more value because I got a lot of use out of them. So, and I'll show you what I made already. The paper that you get is super cool. It's great quality paper. The silver paper and the glitter paper is just too much. Can't even handle it. And then you also get like a 5-pack of white paper. And then you get 1 piece of the really thick vellum kind of paper that you can actually use and make stencils with. If you search up the September Sizzix kit, I forget what it's called, you'll see one of the designers on there that shows you how to make a, you can make your own stencils using this. So again, value, and that's what kind of sold me on it. So some of the things that I made with this, again, with these little doos, these little thingamajiggers. So this was my first go round at the box. I cut off the top of it. So, and I have all my little bits and pieces in here that I was cutting and having fun with, and I thought, well, that is super cute. So I made it. That was my first go at it. So it's definitely not perfect, but it's so cute. And this is the rose that I made from that little tiny flower scallop. It's just a little paper rose, so cute. Nothing big extravagant, but I will get a lot of use out of that die because I will make a bunch of these. And then for this die, I actually, and I have a tutorial that I'm going to be showing here soon. I made a couple of flowers, and this is using all of the dies, using the foliage dies from in here, and then the Samantha Barnett Pretty Flower die. So, and I just have 4 of them stacked together, and then I glued the foliage in there, and then I used the ballerina little sequence on there to make the flower center. They were so cute. That was so much fun. I really, really had a good time doing that. And then the box that I made last night using this silver paper is so cute. Look at it. Now I gotta get my ribbon because I want to close it with a ribbon and then put a bow on top. But this is a gift box, and that's what that die makes. So cute. Love it. So you can do the inlet here. You just run it through your Big Shot or whatever die cutting machine you have, and then you can see the under part of it. See how cute that is? I hope you guys love that even half as much as I do. And then you just fill it with whatever. But look at the inside. It's also got that checkerboard kind of, that weaving pattern. So there it is. So once I make more with this, I'll definitely be sharing that as well. But, oh, I can't get it right. There it goes. But there is the box. How cute is that? So I will use this. I will use this at Christmas time probably, and maybe I'll use a different die cut in this area. Even though this one is kind of cute, you can actually try to make holly out of that. But I will get a lot of use out of this. So I wanted to share that with you guys because I am now a sucker for kits. I was avoiding them all for all these years, and now I hate that I did that because I just didn't think that I would get the value from them. And maybe the kits have come a long way. I don't know. But to spend, you know, $30, $35 on some kits like this, I'm finding that I was wrong. I think the value is definitely there. And the way that Simon puts their kit together, love it. Love it. They got me hooked. So I hope that helped you guys. If you're like, oh, I don't know about kits. I don't know about kits. I don't know. I think it's a great value. Alright guys, so more to come. I'll upload some videos on how I made some of this stuff. And some more art journaling videos too. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And more to come.